right? 34n equal to C. LCM is 35. 5 7 5 7 तो 7 3 21 7 5 7 5 4 5 20, right? 36 minus 34 4n, right? 4n equal to 1 upon 35. n equal to 1 upon 35 into 4. રાઈટ? ચાલો હવે આની વેલ્યુ આપણે સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરવાની છે. 8m plus 12m 1 upon 5. 8m plus 12 1 upon 40 equal to 1 upon 5. 8m 1 upon 5 minus 3 upon 35. 8m, your LCM is 35. 5 7 3. 8m equal to 4 upon 35. 4 upon 35 into 8. 4 2s. n equal to 1 upon 70, right? 1 upon x equal to n equal to 1 upon 70. So x equal to 70. 1 upon y equal to n equal to 1 upon 140. So y equal to 140. So last statement में आंसर क्या लगा है? पूछे one man alone can finish work in 70 days and one boy alone can finish work in 140 days, right? So same आओ भी जो क्वेश्चन है ये. चलो नया क्वेश्चन लेंगे. A chemist has one solution containing 50% acid and second containing 25% acid. How much of each should be used to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution, right? Let x liters of 50% acid and y liters of 50% એટલે આ 25 એટલે y liters of 25% acid used to make 40% used to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution, right? Understand? Then next question, next solution, x, y. X liters, y liters. How many liters is going to prepare? 10. So x plus y. Now 50% of x liters, right? X liters, 50% acid. It means 50 into x upon 100 plus 25%, 25 into y upon 100 equal to 40 into 10 upon 100. खबर पड़े छे? जो 50% of x liter, right? 52 are 25 4s are 0 0 cut. X by 2 plus y by 4 equal to 4. Your LCM is 4. 2 2s are 2 2s are then 2x. 4 1s are y 4. 2x plus y equal to 16. Right? This is your first equation. Then x plus y 10. 2x plus y 16. Minus minus minus. Minus x equal to minus 6. X equal to 6. Substitute in equation 1. Right? Then 6 plus y. Then what's your answer? 6 liters of 50% acid and 4 liters of 25% acid are used to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution, right? चलो सेम क्वेश्चन आओ एक लिए a jeweler has 18 carat gold and 12 carat gold. How much each of used together to obtain a mark of 16 carat gold weighing 120 gram. Right? Same આના જેવો જ છે. First of all, pure gold, it means how many carat? Pure gold how many carat? 24 carat, right? Let x gram of 18 carat gold and y gram of 12 carat gold used to make 120 gram of 16 carat gold, right? Then first equation, x plus y equal to 120, right? See, ઓની અંદર શું હતું? percentage હતું, right? આની અંદર શું છે? કેરેટ છે, બરાબર છે? તો સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ એક્સપ્લેન કરું તો શું થાય? 24 carat, 24 out of 24 carat, how many? 18, right? 18. તો આપણે શું કરતા હતા ઓની અંદર? આગળનામાં percentage હતું તો પણ શું કરતા હતા? 100 કરતા હતા, right? હવે here we want to find percentage. Gold percentage of 18 carat. શું થાય? 18x upon 24 into 100, right? Into 100 equal to 6 4s are 6 3s are 425 75. Okay, directly x પછી લઈએ આપણે 75%. Same gold percentage of second is 12 carat. શું થાય? 12 upon 24 into 100. 12 2s are 250. અહીં આપણે શું કર્યું? One percentage is given. Here we have calculated the percentage. Now 75% of x gram plus 50% of y gram, right? Equal to એક હજી આપણે બાકી રહી ગયું શું? પેલા એ ચાલો બરાબર 16 ગ્રામ વાળું 16 gram 16 carat 120 gram, right? 16 carat 120 gram gold percentage of gold percentage of 16 carat. So that 16 upon 24 into 1000, right? 8 2s are 8 3s are 200 upon 3, right? Now how many grams? 120 grams. Then 200 upon 3% of 120 grams. Then 200 3 into 100 into 120. 0 0 cut 0 0 cut 3 4s. So I 80, right? Chalo. Now 75% 50%. Then 75% of x plus 50% of y equal to 80. Chalo. 25 3s are 25 4s are 50 1s are 50 50 2s are. Your LCM is 4. Then 3x plus 2y 80. 3x plus 2y. This is your second equation, right? ફરીથી એક્સપ્લેન કરું છું. See, a jeweler has 18 karat gold and 12 karat gold. How much each of use together to obtain a bar of 16 karat gold weighing 120 gram, right? See, x gram of 18 karat, y gram of 12 karat. We want to mix these two both and we want to prepare 120 gram of gold, 16 karat. So first x gram, y gram, 120 gram. Then this is your first equation. X plus y equal to 120. चलो આગળનો ક્વેશ્ચન કે જેમાં percentage હતા. Here we want to calculate percentage. Pure gold it means 24 karat. So gold percentage of 18 karat. So that simple at 24, 18 karat at 100. How many, right? Then 18 upon 24 into 100, 75%. Gold percentage of 12 karat, 12 upon 24 into 100, 50%. Right? Then gold of 16 karat, try to. So 16 upon 24 into 100, your percentage is 200 upon 3. 200 upon 3, percentage of 120 gram. Then 200 upon 3 into 100 into 120, you get 80. Now, આગળના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કહ્યું તો એમ જ 75% of x. So then 75x upon 100. 50% of y. 50y upon 100 equal to 80, right? Equation prepare. Okay, ચલો next. હવે બે સોલ્વ કરતા આવડો બે કેવા છે એક આ સોલ્વ કરવાનું. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. A 3 times larger number is divided by smaller number. 4 quotient. 4 is quotient and 3 is remainder. 4 is quotient, 3 is remainder, right? Also 7 times smaller number is divided by a larger one. We get 5 as quotient and 1 is remainder, right? Find numbers. Let larger number be x and smaller be y, right? હવે આપણે આ વસ્તુ ખબર છે dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Clear? આને આપણે યુઝ કરશું. ચલો શું કહ્યું છે 3 times larger number. હવે પહેલા તો આપણે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈ લો 7 divided by 2, right? 2 3s are 6, 1. This is 10. 7 dividend. 2 divisor into 3 quotient plus 1 remainder. Right? Okay. A larger number is divided by smaller one. 3 times સીધો છોકરા થોડું ઘાયલ છે બરાબર થોડું ઘાયલ છે 3 times larger number divided by smaller. 3 times larger number is divided by smaller. Right? So 3 times larger એટલે 3x. Your dividend is this. Right? Is divided by smaller one. 4 is your quotient. Right? 4 is your quotient. Right? So divided by smaller. See. Divided by smaller. Divisor 5, quotient 4. Then 4y plus remainder is given 3. Then your equation is like this. Right? Second equation. 7 times smaller number. 7 times smaller number is divided by, then 7x. 7 times smaller number. 7y is divided by a larger number. 5 is a quotient. Then 5x plus remainder is 1. Then minus 5x plus 7y equal to 1. Understand? Now this equation 5, this 3. 5 is 15x minus 20y 15 minus 15x plus 21y equal to 3. Cut y equal to 18. Substitute in equation 1. Then 3x minus 4y 3. 3x minus 4 into 18. 3. 18 4s are 72. Minus 72. 3 plus 72. 3x equal to 75. X equal to 25. Your larger number is 25 and smaller number is 18. Right? Okay, chalo. Bye.